Hello everyone. In this video, we will try to understand the major difference between the combine per key and count per key, right? So if you have seen my last video, you would have understand by there itself, right? So count per key will does only count, nothing else, right? And if you remember in our previous video, when we are doing combine per key, right? So this function, we have to pass some function, right? Whether it's an inbuilt function, so some is an inbuilt function in Apache Beam, or a customized function. So when you go for combine per key, there is an option where you can write your customized logic, where in count per key you cannot do it, right? So maybe what we'll try to do is we'll just try to create a simple uh, code. Let me show it to you here. What it does is it will take the element, it will sum the value. If the sum is greater than 200, then return, or else just return 0, right? Now just call this function in combine per key. So earlier we are using the default function. Now I'm using the function which I just created, right? So this is the previous output. Maybe better I'll do it in a different server. Let me run this. Did you see? I said if the sum is greater than 200, then pass the actual value. If not, then I said return 0. Right? So later on, you can filter it. We have already seen how filter works. You can filter the values out. Wherever there is a 0, you can filter out, so that you'll get only the values which is greater than 200. So this is the benefit of the combine per key, where you have the flexibility to write your own custom functions. So hope you understand this video, like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.